In this video, I'm going to show you how I've been able to use a system, a technique, kind of a to-do list, what I like to do every day to get signups in LiveGood. Okay, I want you to be a member, of course, but I want you to be an affiliate, okay, because that's where the money is. You got to realize when you sign up with LiveGood, sure, the products are great. They're awesome. And if you want them rock bottom, you spend $10 a month to be a member. But if you want to earn money like myself and a lot of other people, all you got to do is just spend $40 one time. Boom, you're an affiliate. Okay. Now, just because you spend that 40 and you do the $10 a month, does that mean people are going to sign up and just run and join underneath you? Okay. The answer is no. Okay. You need to do certain things every day. And what I'm going to show you is basically free. As long as you have an internet feed, okay, Wi-Fi, you have one of these things, maybe an electronic Pop-Tart, maybe a cell phone, or obviously a home computer. All right, you can do this. Okay, now let's begin. Let me shrink up myself here. Okay, this I think is definitely worth doing. Okay, I go to vistaprint.com, all right, and I get business cards. I go to GoDaddy and I buy a simple domain name. Okay, my name's Cory, so I bought joincory.com from Vistaprint. Cost me about $10-11. Okay, I don't need hosting because all I do is take that domain name and I forward it to the LiveGood capture page, which I'm going to show you in a second. Plus, you can see it yourself if you just want to go to joincory.com and follow along. Okay, so first, get yourself a domain name. So if your name is Bob, maybe joinbob.com, joinbobnow.com, workwithbob.com. And if those are taken, come up with something else that's kind of fun. Let's say your name is Bob Thomas. Maybe work with Bob Thomas, join Bob Thomas. All right, it's really up to you. But if you get a custom domain name, I think it's a lot easier to promote your business. Now, the reason I like business cards is on the street, people sooner or later are going to see my Facebook post or my YouTube channel, or just through word of mouth, they're going to say, hey, what's that business that I heard you talking about or I saw you on Facebook post about? Guys, I don't talk about anything with LiveGood yap to yap, face to face. All I do is hand out my business card or I direct them to joincory.com. And guess what? All the videos do everything. The less you talk about LiveGood, the more successful you're going to be. Okay, so if you got $10-11, get yourself a custom domain name. Number two, for $25 plus a couple dollars for shipping, I recommend getting a business card. I made mine like this. I like cars, so I just used one of the templates at vistaprint.com. I went ahead and used the white because the white font, the white color just jumps off this business card. Okay, so if I put this on like a desk or on a wall, you can't miss that joincory.com. Less is more. Don't make your business card too busy because the main thing you want are people to watch the video that I'm going to show you. Okay? If you're going to put your cell phone and contact information, people might call you. Then you're going to become a trainer. You're going to be a coach. And you don't have time for that. Let all the videos already made do all of the recruiting. Okay? So, you got yourself joincory.com, for example. That's what I did. I got me some business cards that I hand out. Okay, now I'm a big fan of that. And if you want to see what they look like, you can kind of see I got a handful of them here. Can you see them on my webcam? So, for example, my technique, hey, Cory, what, now I heard you on Facebook doing something. What is it? I just go, hey, you know what? It seems to be a pretty cool business. All right, I'm saving money on some products, but I'm also making money. So here's my card. Just check it out. And if you're interested, then get a hold of me. Yeah, but Cory, what about this? What about that? Guys, you know what? Whatever I talk about in person, you're going to forget anyway. So when you're sitting in back of your steering wheel in your car, watch the little movie. Okay, when you're at home on your home computer or laptop, guys, just go to this domain and watch the movie and then make up your mind. Do you want the products or do you want to be an affiliate? Guys, please don't say anything more than that. Okay, now I'm going to show you my screen right now. And you're going to see this anyway if you do go to joincory.com. So let me just shrink up. Okay, let me get rid of my business card. Okay, now this is the LiveGood website. Anyone can go to livegood.com. All right, I recommend you tell everybody to go to 3 tabs. This is my system. This is my technique. First, I say go to the products because you want people to see what is LiveGood selling. Okay, what's the ingredients? How much is it for wholesale pricing and retail? Okay, see all these little boxes here? Guys, everyone likes to just sit down, including yourself. Just watch this video, then go to livegood.com, or if you're already in LiveGood, you guys already know you can hit any of these white little rectangle boxes, and guess what? All the ingredients, the pricing, all the information's right there. If people want packages, okay, multiple products, awesome. Look, even if you want some shirts and hats, okay, even a hoodie. You know, it's wintertime right now as I produce this video. Why not get a little beanie cap or a hoodie? Okay, I like to wear them when I ride motorcycles. Okay, so I take people on a journey, and there's 3 little journeys on the website. Number 1 is the products tab. Number 2, look at the left of your screen. See where it says FAQ? Right there. Okay, there's going to be a lot of questions that you're going to have about LiveGood. Okay, 80 to 90% of them are going to be answered right here. So, livegood.com FAQ section talks about account management, how we get paid, the memberships, the orders, products. Okay, just go there, click any of these links here, and the answers are right on the next page of every single question. Look at that. So to repeat, invite people to the products page, then scroll down, invite people to the FAQ. Now, most people, including yourself, you're going to want to know, how do we get paid? Because with LiveGood, we do not commission the products. So you don't have to buy any products at all to make money. That's what sets us apart from every other company that might be in our category. Okay? So the last thing I do is right here. See at the very bottom, it says pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Okay, let's click it. Okay, this is how we get paid. There's 7 ways. And I tell everyone, just read these web pages here. Yeah, it's kind of boring. You know, it takes a few minutes. But this is what I tell people. This is my technique. This is my system. I tell everyone to scroll to the bottom and watch this YouTube video. Okay? It explains our comp plan perfectly. Okay? Because I can sit here and bore you guys to death and talk about the comp plan. But you know what? You're never going to remember it. So please, go to the pay plan. Now, if your screen is a little bigger, it'll say affiliate pay plan. Okay, my screen, obviously, it just says pay plan. Okay, so what are the 3 things, guys? Okay, number 1, products. Okay, tell people to go visit the products tab. Number 2, what is it? That's right, the FAQ. And number 3 is the affiliate pay plan. Okay, guys, I'm telling you, if you keep LiveGood simple, and just have a smile on your face, even if you're like pissed off and you have a headache and you're just sick and tired of everything and you just want to throw things and go nuts. Guys, if you just say, look, here's an opportunity. In my case, please go to joincory.com. Okay, so GoDaddy. I spent $10-11 for a brand new domain name. Now I forward it to a capture page. Now this is the video where I've signed up almost 400 people. Okay, and my proof, see, when you're in LiveGood, you can go to the leaderboard and it just shows people that are real successful at signing people up. Okay, and this is live. Now, if I scroll down a little bit, if you can see, I'm right around number 27. All right, see, I got 399 people. Pretty soon I'm going to have 400 people that have joined me. And I have very little experience in this business. Guys, my system and technique, which I just showed you, that's all I do. I keep it simple. Now, how did I get 400 people to just go, let's do this? Okay, now, when I type in joincory.com, all right, now if you're in LiveGood, you know that this is the capture page. What this is where people put in their name and their email address if they want for information or if they want to join. And then they'll get an email from LiveGood, and you just click the email open and follow, get yourself a username, password, set up your LiveGood business. Real simple, okay? But this is what most people do. They watch this YouTube video produced by the company. It's our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He talks for about 6 minutes about the products, the opportunity, everything that you need is already done on video. Do you see what I mean? You don't have to do nothing. Please don't try to overanalyze. And then if you talk about Live Good, sometimes you'll zone out and forget what you even talked about. And then if people sign up under you, they're going to think that they're going to have to over-explain Live Good. See, it's all about duplication and making it easy. So if you want to join underneath me, okay, joincory.com, put in your name, put in your email, hit reserve my position, and you'll get 30 email messages in the next 30 days about Live Good. Copy them, all right? Save them. Don't delete them. Because if you join Live Good, I want you to take those emails and kind of switch them around and use them yourself. Okay? Isn't that awesome? 30 days of emails that are recruiting for you. So if you're not an email person, all right, when somebody puts their name and email address in, that might be you. You're going to get one email a day. And if you don't want them anymore, just opt out. You guys know how easy that is. Okay, so people go to joincory.com. Okay, they go to this page. They watch this video. If they don't want to do Live Good, guess what? They just delete everything and they go on their way, and it doesn't take up any of your day either. You're busy having fun, working, raising your family, and keeping this business simple. Let videos already made, already produced, do all the heavy lifting, okay? All right, guys, I'll just show you my card one more time. Vistaprint, $25, $30. Get a big old box. It'll last you all year. Get yourself a domain name from GoDaddy, joincory.com in my case. Okay? And then you can have GoDaddy for free forward to your Live Good capture page. Okay? It's all free. You can just call GoDaddy, look them up, they're online, and if the domain is open, it'll be about $11. And then you can say, look, guys, I'm in this company and I need you. And I got my link memorized. It's livegoodtour.com/Cory Draper. Okay, that's the link to where people can watch that 6-minute video and sign up. So in your case, just call up GoDaddy after you sign up first to Live Good. Okay, you're going to get your capture page link, and you're just going to tell GoDaddy what that link is, and boom. Guys, give it like 5-10 minutes. And in my case, I just go to joincory.com. I'm done. All right, because I have other businesses and other things I do. I don't work full-time for Live Good. This is like a part-time job that pays full-time pay. It's awesome. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you for the last 12 minutes. Okay, I have a good time doing this Live Good thing. I had no idea I'd be successful at this. I'm only on a year and a half, going on 2 years in April of 2025. So in about 3 months, I can say I got 2 years experience. And all I do is just keep things simple and fun. Okay? I know you can do this. $49.95. If you got a couple $20 bills, $40, you can be an affiliate. And then $10 a month after that. Because you have to be a member, obviously, to earn commissions. We get paid every Thursday. And any product that you buy, that your customers buy, you got 3 months, you got 90 days. No questions asked. It's a great guarantee. If you don't like any of the Live Good products, ship them back to Jupiter, Florida. And once the distribution center gets even an empty container back, guess what? You get all your money back. You can go buy other products if you want, or give some other products a chance. Our return rate is almost less than 1%. All right? We're a wholesale company, guys. You can't get our products any cheaper because we make the products for people like Walmart and other stores and gyms to sell retail. If you want to buy at rock bottom prices wholesale, $10 a month. And if you want to earn money, why don't you just become an affiliate? Spend the $40, one and done. That's for life, by the way. You don't ever have to spend that again. Okay? All right, guys, joincory.com. If you have any questions, get a hold of me. I'm not shy. You can always go to my Facebook page. I'm easy to find. Or, comment below this YouTube video or wherever you're watching this, and I'll get back with you, okay? But I keep things real simple, and I know you can do this. Even if you're retired, you have zero experience, it's almost better. Okay? Thanks for your time, guys, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and see the technique, see the system, see the marketing things that I do. And guess what? Everything I just showed you is basically free except for the business cards. Okay? GoDaddy, $10, $20, $30. I mean, God, it's so affordable. Okay? All right, guys. Enough yak. You guys have a good day, okay? Talk to you later. Bye.